Hi guys, you're at Oddingley level crossing in Worcestershire of Worcs. Right, time now is 1907 on Thursday the 4th of May 2017. And this is for your 1903 1 Victor 65 cross-country service from Manchester Bay to Cardiff Central. So this will be a Voyager go to Cardiff, not a Turbo Star. Because Turbo Stars don't go to Manchester. Yeah, the lights are literally flashing at the same time as each other, but they're like mirrored, if you know what I mean. well, they will be going out of they won't be flashing at the same time all the time because one of the light sets is the light relays is obviously slower than the other one. So, but here it comes now. Hang on, I just put my phone away. I don't know why I've still got it out, to be honest. Here it is. It's 221. Two to 141 to Cardiff Central, and I could tell it was 141 because it was only 4 car Super Voyager, and up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you next video.